ladies and gentlemen. My name is Musa Mohammed, and I'll be taking you through the ideology of MMM. Now, talking about MMM, what is MMM? This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of global mutual fund aid. Now, talking about the ideology, the modern world is bad, inhumane, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money and not the world for the people. It is a world for those who produce money, for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires. What lies behind the social welfare? It is labor. But why do bankers live 100 times better than common people who really work hard? Is it that they work harder? Absolutely no. More so, they don't even produce any material values as opposed to the workers. There is nothing natural here. There is nothing natural here. People believe that this is the way of life, that bankers has to live better and it cannot be otherwise. But in reality, things are different and the situations can be changed. You keep wondering, why does a banker work less but live better than a factory worker, a miner, oil rigger or woodcutter? Because they, the bankers, has always got money. It's all about money. It is said that money is a measure of labor. So why is the world unjust? We still don't have an answer as to why a banker lives better than a worker. He prints money, and a worker, for example, builds houses or works in a mining industry, which is also very important. Ladies and gentlemen, they have always made a fool of us, the common people. As usual, as they say, nothing is new. The rich take advantage of the fact that we simple hard workers don't have time to figure out all these tricky schemes. We have to feed our families. That's why they take advantage of this situation. Nevertheless, modern bankers were created for other purposes. They aren't interested in the societies, but they but their own goals. People aren't important to them. They are loyal servants to the federal hypocritical agent, misusing the products of labor of common people. The current financial system is merely destructing us. It will continue attacking us, then our children and our grandchildren. It will even get worse if nothing changes. We will destroy this existing financial system and build new, fair, and honest one. We have no other choice. We are not slaves. We are people and we choose freedom. This is the ideology of MMM. Long live MMM. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about how MMM works. MMM works and will definitely work better if the participants provide more help than they get help. Then the people will definitely come into the community and the strength of the community will grow entirely stronger. Secondly, if there is no panic in whatsoever form, that is, if people go out there to promote MMM, talk about MMM to people, and they don't get negative about it, then there won't be panic, and then the strength of MMM will also grow. Now, what are the rules governing MMM? There are about 9 rules in MMM. Rule number 1: you must not have multiple accounts, if not, you will be blocked. Rule number 2: do not make a payment and fail to attach a proof or receipt, else you will be blocked. Rule number 3: do not allow your family member to provide help more than you do, or they should do through your personal office, else you will be blocked. Rule number 4: do not delay in payment. Rule number 5: do not share your bank details with anyone else you will not be getting help from. Rule number 6: do not change your bank details or password. And there is definitely a penalty for that. You will not be paid, or your help will be delayed. Rule number 7: do not click "I refuse to make payment" more than once in a month, or else you will be blocked. Rule number 8: do not fail to confirm your payment, else you will be blocked. And finally, The last but not the least rule, always remember to write letters of happiness after getting help, or else you will be blocked. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Musa Mohammed.